Welcome back. Now we have news from sports. St. Rita High School from Kolwale clinched the Germania Trophy cricket tournament on Monday. St. Rita defeated Bhatikar Model High School from Madgaon by 38 runs in the final. The age-old under-16 inter-school tournament was held at the Panji Gymkhana ground.
St. Rita won the crucial toss and elected to bat. The Kolwale school posted a total of 147 runs for the loss of 4 wickets in the allotted 30 overs. Snehal Kautankar played a patient knock of 84 runs. Bhatikar Model in their chase were bowled out for 109 runs in 26 overs. For Bhatikar Model High School, Ravindra Dudani with 18 runs and Akshay Kamath with 17 runs played decent innings. The Madgaon school will have to blame themselves for the defeat as they threw away 4 important wickets via runouts.
I'm very much happy with the team. Of course, my management and teachers are supporting me. Also, the local people from Kolwale, they are providing us the field. No ground, but they are providing us a field, so we are practicing on that ground.
How would you analyze your team's performance? How did they fare overall?
In fact, last 4 years we are practicing, and Snehal Kautankar, Sankalp Gaons, Saish Bichurkar, they practice throughout the year. So they had given best of theirs. So we reached the final. Also under 14 tournaments we are in under 14.
Initially, when in the finals, when you were playing, initially it looked like as though you would not reach a very big total. But finally, you'll put up a very decent total of 147. You have anything to say about that?
This is all maturity with the boys. They are playing with very patiently because they are in the GCA circle. They attended the camps and all, so they got much experience.
Principal Chief Conservator of Forest, Richard D'Souza, was the chief guest and gave away the prizes. Ravindra Dudani of Bhatikar Model High School was named the best batsman, while Sahi Shetye of St. Rita High School was named best bowler. St. Rita batsman Snehal Kautankar took home the man of the final and man of the series awards. Our sports reporter from Panji, Patterson Fernandez, with video journalist Anil Sanadi.
Salgaonkar Sports Club scored a resounding 8-0 victory over Sports Authority of India Training Centre in the GFA Under-16 playoff match. The match was played at Tilak Stadium in Vasco on Sunday.
Salgaonkar Sports Club have consistently groomed top-class age group teams in the state, and the Green Brigade proved that they were simply unstoppable on the day. Brendan Fernandez was the star of the match as he scored a fine hat-trick. He scored in the 68th minute, 79th minute and 80th minute. Tunad Fernandez, Quellen Fernandez, Raymond Fernandez, Nixon Castana and substitute Neliston De Silva also scored 1 goal each. There were some misses as well from the Vasco-based side, otherwise the score line would have been fatter. Most of the goals scored by Salgaonkar also exposed the loopholes in the SEI defense and will give their coach a lot to work upon.
My team is weak now, that's why we lost in 8-0.
Still the boys.
Actually, what happened now, we are not having the good strength in under 16. These boys is all under 14, under 15. Under 16 boys only we got the 4 boys who played here. Even goalkeepers, we got only 1 goalkeeper, he is also under 15 boys.
Salgaonkar coach Agustin Antão hopes that some of their players will graduate to play in the I-League.
These boys have been with us as Salgaonkar's youth development for the last 3-4 years, some of them. Most of them are nationals and international players we have got. And they have been practicing. This is thanks to Salgaonkar, VM Salgaonkar, who is sponsoring and helping these boys. And I hope they will play one day for I-League. That is our hope.
Expected the 8-0 win?
Today, yes, we had a full set today. Most of our boys who are answering SEC and all, they have come, and under 18, we have promoted them to under 18 also, they have come. Most of them are playing the full set today.
Our reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkekar, for Prudent Media.
Sometimes expressions speak more than words. Here are 38 expressions in 1 minute. Even without a single word, we can understand what he feels. Imagine how you must be looking in such expressions. Enjoy it Take care and keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.
Happy, ecstatic, sad, nervous, angry, bored, annoyed, surprised, tired, rage, depressed, furious, confused, serious, goofy, intimidating, terrified, proud, exhausted, embarrassed, devious, scared, grumpy, hyper, cute, snob, brat, evil, sneezing, sour, laughing, smile, fake smile, asleep, studly, supermodel, horny,